Hi everyone, Chris here from Profit Squirrel. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing really well, and I hope you're all making profit with match betting. Let me know in the comments below how you're getting on. As always, love hearing from you and really love your questions coming in as well. So in this video, what I wanted to talk about was free bets and bonuses, and what do you do if for some reason you're not actually eligible for the welcome offers, for the big free bets, the big bonuses that you tend to get when you sign up to a bookmaker or exchange for the first time. What do you do if you're not eligible for these? This is something that we hear now and then at Profit Squirrel when people are signing up for the first time, when they first join Profit Squirrel and they start to get into it and they start to understand, okay, this is the method, I understand match betting, but it seems like these initial ones, they rely on me getting these free bets and big sign-up bonuses from bookmakers, from exchanges, and I already have some of these accounts. So what do I do? Do I get these free bonuses? And is it even worth it if I don't? Basically, they already have existing accounts. And quite rightly, people are wondering, how does this change things? How does this change the method? Or how does it change the actual profits that I'm going to make from this? So that's what I wanted to get into here. So firstly, if you already have an account with, say, Betfair or the first few bookmakers, because as you probably know, if you signed up to Profit Squirrel, one of the very first things we're going to ask you to do is get an account with Betfair. This is the betting exchange, and this is where you place your lay bets, which are a very important part of the match betting method. If you don't know what lay bets are, I've explained that in a previous video. Check out the link below and you'll be able to watch that and learn everything you need to know about lay bets. But what do you do if you already have a Betfair account? Well, don't worry about it. You're actually ahead of the game because you are going to be using your Betfair exchange repeatedly throughout the match betting process, all throughout your match betting career. So actually, it's not a problem if you already have that Betfair account. Another of the early things that we get you to do here at Profit School in order to teach you match betting and in order to get you your first profits is to get you to sign up to certain bookmaker accounts. Now, some people, they already have these bookmaker accounts, and I'm going to show you the first few here, and quite rightly they're wondering, okay, maybe if I can't get these welcome offers, what am I supposed to do? Well, the good news is that you probably don't have most of the bookmaker accounts that we've listed here. There's a huge number, and I'm on a premium Profit Squirrel account here, so all of these offers are unlocked, and I'm just gonna scroll through quickly to show you some of the different ones. And as you can see, I'm only halfway down, and there are loads and loads of offers here to complete, and more are being added all the time as well. So if you already have, say, a William Hill or a Coral Ladbrokes account, something like that, then it's all good because there's going to be plenty more other bookmaker accounts that you can apply this method to, that you can get those really juicy sign-up bonuses for. And of course, by having these bookmaker accounts, you are already in the running for our daily offers section. Now, this is another premium members feature. This is a section where it is updated every single day. And essentially, we have a wide range of free bet clubs. So we have a Coral free bet club. That's where you're getting free bets every single week with them. Even if you have an existing account, Sky Bet, there's bonuses here for the rugby with Ladbrokes, Bet365, Triple Eight Sport. There's loads and loads of bonuses here for accounts when you already have them. And these are exactly what we complete when we've done those initial welcome offers with those bookmakers. We go ahead and we actually carry on making money with these offers. So if you do already have those bookmakers at the beginning, don't worry about it because all of this is going to be open to you and all of these offers are going to be great chances to make money. Again, there's a good video going into detail on these daily offers and I'm going to link to that below. Check that out if you want to dive a little bit more deeply into the daily offers, understand what it gives you, what it offers. Another question that I sometimes get when people are new to match betting, new to Profit Squirrel, they kind of say, is it worth it? Because they look at some of the offers once they start to understand what's going on, and it might be something like, say, the Paddy Power offer, where you get a £10 sign-up bonus, and they say, if I complete this offer, I'm going to make £6. And is that really worth it? Is there actually a point to me completing that offer? Because I know you do get some offers where they have a £100 sign up bonus, a £50 sign up bonus, and you hear those sorts of numbers and your eyes kind of light up and you're like, yes, I'm going to complete that offer. And then maybe after that, you get to the Paddy Power offer or something like that and you're like, I'm going to make £6 from this offer. What's the point? Well, firstly, profit is profit. It takes about 5 minutes to complete that Paddy Power offer. And if you're making about £6 from that, that's about £120 an hour in equivalent time, which is a pretty serious amount. So it's not taking you long to do, and you are stacking up those little profits, which really, really add up over time. And also, maybe even more importantly, once you complete these initial offers, you start triggering other offers from the bookmaker, and you kind of open up your access to those other offers as well. So with the example of Paddy Power, you complete that initial offer, you make your £6, but what that then does is make you eligible to complete 2 up offers with Paddy Power. Now those have got a maximum winning of about £2,500. Which is really a significant amount. Now, I don't know many match bettors that have actually hit that £2,500 profit, but I do know many people and many Profit Squirrel members that have made profits in the hundreds of pounds just from 1 2-up offer. They're one of the most popular in match betting at the moment, but you need to unlock that offer by completing the initial offers as well. So I kind of see it as win-win. You're making money from those first ones and you're allowing yourself access to more offers in the future that are going to be really, really profitable for you. This is the case with many of the bookmakers. For example, Bet365, they do their bet £50 welcome offer. So you're going to make about £35, £40 profit from that probably, which is a really nice amount. And then again, you actually will unlock further 2-up offers with Bet365. They do that. And at Bet365, they don't cap your winnings. So you could technically win an unlimited amount on your 2-up offer. If you don't know what 2-up offers are, if you don't understand them, well, I've done a video on those as well. Check that out below and make sure you learn how to do this really, really good type of daily offer. It's going to serve you really well and I think going to make you a lot of profit. Horse racing offers as well, they are an incredible source of ongoing profits for match bettors. And of course, what do you need for those? You need existing bookmaker accounts. So I hope this is starting to get you seeing how you can take those initial accounts that you have already or that you create when you do the welcome offers and actually use those to your advantage to actually complete these ongoing offers. So we've got a couple of main types of horse racing offers, the refund ifs and the extra place offers. Horse racing offers can be worth a few £100s a month easily just on their own. I'm not going to go into how to complete them here. I've got separate videos for that. So be sure to check those out if you want to make a few £100s a month with horse racing offers using the existing accounts that you already have. And finally, just to add that there are also ways of making money with your existing accounts where you don't actually need or use any free bets at all. So I've mentioned horse racing extra place offers. Those are just one of those type of match bets that you can do where you're not actually relying on any free bets or bonuses at all. So those are really, really good if you have existing accounts or if you don't have any free bet offers. You don't always need to rely on those. There's several other ways to do it as well. There's price boost, there's arbing. Those are things which are open to you even if you don't have free bets on your account. I've got a guide on those as well, which I'll link to below. And of course, the 2-up offer that I mentioned, technically that's not really anything to do with free bets either. It's kind of like a sport or football refund offer. That works slightly differently to free bets as well. And then of course we have our casino section as well, where there are some really, really great offers that are risk-free. So we have things that are 10 free spins, a lot of bonuses and refunds, and there are ways of completing these offers where you are not gambling, you're not risking your funds. We're doing it in a sensible way that leads to a profit over time. So I mention all of these different ways just to try and give you a little bit of a vision as to what is possible and how also it is not just about the free welcome bets that you get. There is a whole world out there to discover. There's a lot of great opportunities to make profits in different ways, and it all really comes down to you having those existing bookmaker accounts. So if you want to make match betting easier for yourself, if you want to make it more organized, get access to some tools that will help you, then I'd really encourage you to check out Profit Squirrel. I think it provides everything in one place. It provides a great amount of value for our members. It's going to walk you through how to learn match betting from the very beginning, how to learn it the right way so you don't make costly mistakes in the beginning, teaching you everything you need to know in order to do match betting, and also providing you with the support on an ongoing basis so that you can keep making money with this fantastic method. If you're interested in Profit Squirrel, check out profitsquirrel.co.uk/trial. We've got an opportunity there where you can sign up for £1, get full access to the premium area of Profit Squirrel. That's going to unlock the daily offers for you, the faster odds matcher. It's going to unlock all of the welcome offers, full access to the site and the support side of things, which is going to get you up and running and profiting really, really quickly. If you're interested in that, check it out. That is the fastest way to unlock everything and get the most profits right away. And of course, if you just want to dabble, if you just want to check us out, you can sign up to the free Profit Squirrel account as well. You can go to profitsquirrel.co.uk, go on the homepage, just click try for free in the top right there. And that'll unlock a limited area of Profit Squirrel for you for free. It'll give you all the initial tuition and of course allow you to make some initial profits as well. So I hope that's been helpful. I really wanted to make this video just to give you an idea of how things look once you have bookmaker accounts, and also where you can expect your profits to come from once you're past the initial free offers. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, make sure you don't miss out on any of the latest Profit Squirrel vlogs. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all again in another video really, really soon. Bye for now.